Hi, my name's Kristi, and today's RV tip of the day is going to be all about cleaning your air conditioning intake filter and your vent fan screen. Whether you live in your RV full-time or just a few weeks a year, you're going to want to make sure that you clean these filters and screens very regularly. They're going to collect dust and dirt while they're being used, and you want to make sure to keep them clean so that way the air that you're breathing is much cleaner too. Because we live in our RV full time and we have a large dog, we try to clean ours monthly. To get started, first what I'm gonna do is lay out some paper towels on our counter before removing the very dirty, dusty filters and screens. The first step is to remove the outer plastic piece or whatever piece you have covering your filters. Then the filters just slide right out on either side. After you pull your filters out, be sure to do a quick wipe inside your filter areas. Once I have the plastic pieces and the filters down, I'm gonna lay them on the paper towels and then gently remove the dust and debris and dirt from the filters with a wipe. After I've gotten most of the dirt and debris off the filters, I'll then quickly run them under the sink water to get anything I might have missed and then let them dry for a few minutes. Now would be a great time to inspect your filters for any rips or tears, and if you find them, replace them. Once they've dried, I simply reverse the process, slide the filters back in, and pop the plastic screens back on top. Moving on to the vent fan screen, I follow the same process. I'm gonna pop off the screen, I'm gonna add it to the paper towel, remove the dust and debris with a wipe, run it under the sink, and let it dry. Once it's dried, I will pop it back on in place. We find that the one over our oven and stovetop gets the dirtiest and has actually some grease buildup, so I really wanna make sure that I thoroughly wipe this one and clean this one before putting it back up. Keeping your AC filters and vent screens clean will not only help you breathe easily, but it'll also keep your equipment working properly. Hopefully you found these tips helpful and a good reminder to clean your filters and screens. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.